see what happened?
No, but I'm looking outside to see if bombs are still falling in Norman. We hit so many. It was ridiculous.
It was
Hope
bad.
they took cover.
Tech Red Raiders.
Masters hits it hard to left, and it's going to be 4-0, 2-2. High fly ball to left field. Pettis is back, and it's tied.
Uh-oh.
High fly to right. And we are tied again. And a long fly ball to left. A grand slam. High fly ball, deep left center field by Fulford, and the Red Raiders have homered again. Fly ball, deep right field. Have the Red Raiders done it again? They have. The third grand slam of the series.
It was ridiculous how many bombs we have hit against Oklahoma in 4 games.
Skip Johnson uses. Well hit, straightaway center field. Braden Daniel back. He's at the wall, and it's another Red Raider home run. And he hits one hard to center field. Watch out. Braden Daniel runs out of room again, and that's over the batter's eye. That's to center field and deep. Braden Daniel turned around. Unbelievable. Lead on Carter. Easton Morrell hits it hard to right, and he stares it down, and that's another home run for Tech. I mean, this is remarkable, folks. A 3-run home run by Cal Conley.
I think we talked about it right before. It was just wanting to keep the bats hot, and the bats are still hot.